We're thrilled that you are interested in hosting a voice drive. A voice drive is a way to rally your family, friends, and coworkers to contribute to the Human Voice Bank. As the coordinator, you'll get access to a special dashboard to monitor progress and successfully guide your team members to the finish line. It can seem daunting, but don't worry, you're not alone. We encourage you and your fellow voice bankers to join our Facebook community to collaborate and share ideas. The first step is to set up your own VocaliD account. Then submit your audition to get approved. We want you to go through the process to better help guide others. Once you've been approved, you'll see a little megaphone appear in the upper left corner named Drives. Go ahead and click on that. And now you can create a new voice drive. The start date indicates the first day when you will begin inviting persons to join your drive. We'll automatically end your voice drive 90 days after the start date. Then click Create Drive. You can now invite family, friends, and colleagues to your voice drive by entering in their email address. They'll need to use that same email address to join your voice drive. Once they've accepted your invitation, you'll be able to see their progress and encourage them via email to keep voice banking.